Is Windows failing to load because of the Shutdown UX Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To kick off the Shutdown UX Library Guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Shutdown UX Library, the Windows Shutdown User Experience module. It manages the unmanaged rendering of the shutting down and restarting visual manifests. It facilitates the orchestration of the final system UI state before kernel termination. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Because Shutdown UX Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Shutdown UX library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Shutdown UX Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes Shutdown UX library documentation. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Shutdown UX library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.